Hey, we're the Romy Nelsons. Come with us on a drive through Red Oak 2 in Carthage, Missouri. Artist Lowell Davis created Red Oak 2 as a recreation of his hometown of Red Oak, Missouri, which had become a ghost town by the time he returned home after serving in the military. Some of the buildings were relocated from the original town, while others came from elsewhere in Missouri. As you drive through, you'll find a Phillips 66 gas station, a church, a schoolhouse, historic homes, a vintage diner car, and all kinds of fascinating artwork around the property. Visitors are free to explore the village, but most of the buildings are privately owned today, so be respectful and stay on the roads and public areas. A few buildings still belong to Lowell's family, and there's even a gift shop selling his artwork, although it was closed during our visit.